Gather around, everybody. Put the toadstool and make yourselves comfortable. Kids, now you settle down because your mom and dad are going to put on the sofas.
This is the story of how your mother and I met. Once upon a time in a land far, far away, there was a beautiful swamp. It was full of mud and slime and bugs and snakes and all the things that would make it an ogre's home sweet home. Better acting in, I always say.
By order of Lord Farquhar, we are hereby authorized to place you under arrest and transport you to the designated resettlement facility.
Yeah, by Lord Farquhar.
Lord Farquhar, eh?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Now where is he?
He's in July.
Well, technically, you're not a king. But what I mean is you're not a king yet. But you can become one. All you have to do is marry a princess. And here they are. Cinderella, Snow White, and Princess Fiona.
Blast.
Congratulations. You chose it, Princess Fiona.
What did I say Fiona?
Now I need to find a fool to go fetch her for me.
Hey, Farquhar, I've a bone to pick with you.
Ah, ogre. Just the one I'm looking for.
Alright, so you want to go back tag and rescue a princess just so Farquhar will give you your swamp out?
Well, there's a lot more to me than people think. Ogres are like onions. Onions have layers, ogres have layers.
So what is it I do thinking of that man?
It's inside, thinking of the rescue.
I was told about the dragon. Shrek? Shrek? Of course, there ain't nothing wrong with being trained. If he is a sensible and responsible man under the situation. It's an unfamiliar dangerous situation I might add. Shrek? I'm not nervous. No, I never get nervous. I'll use up.
They want to go there. Why go there?
A dragon that eats fire and is nice and brings more fire. And it sure as be your child if you'll understand, you know what I mean? Shrek!
I like the song.
Princess. Wake up!
Dad!
Are you Princess Fiona?
I am! A wedding night so bold as to rescue me.
Ah, that's nice. Now let's go!
Shrek! Did you find the princess yet? Because I think that's just my bad dragon.
You didn't slay the dragon?
It's on my to-do list.
This isn't right! You're in charge it, swords drawn, banner flying, from a water knife's head.
Yeah, right before they burst into flames.
What kind of knight are you?
One of a kind.
Oh, you don't want me. I'll scream beyond it. I'll let you stop you. I'll see that. I mean, this bright sparkling teeth. You might hear this all the time. But you must get to something because that was a dazzling smile you got there. Do I detect the hint of mental presence? You know that you're a girl, Jack. Everybody loves a fine, breathing dragon.
It's destiny! But you must know how the story goes. A princess locked in a tower and beset by a dragon is rescued by a brave knight. And then they share true love's first kiss.
Wait, you think Shrek is your true love?
I was sent to rescue you by Lord Farquaad.
You can tell Lord Farquaad that if he wants to rescue me properly, I'll be waiting for him right here.
Princess, what happened to you?
I'm ugly, okay? It's my curse. By night one way, by day another. Who could ever love a beast so ugly? And princess and beast don't go together. I can't stay here with Shrek. My only chance to live happily ever after is to marry my true love.
So you're really an ogre? Well, that explains a lot.
Oh, it's disgusting! Gods! I already had to get that ugly beast out of my sight!
All right, nobody. Got a dragon here. I'm not afraid of you. You don't say no to any down to love. I just knew this would be happening. Come on, y'all.
Dance all faith. Not a believer. Not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love. I believe if I try. And that's the way it happened. The end.
Thank you all.